Amiyahadaire, back at it again. I just winked at you all. AKA that A squared girl. They're back. How'd you guys like my first video? I'm a little new to this YouTube stuff, so yeah, so let's just get to the video. So I really appreciate everyone who decided to subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay guys, so today's video will be featuring my little sister Angelica. She is also a dancer, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry Angelica, she prefers to be called AJ. Capital A, capital J, or capital A, capital J.
My name is AJ, and today I will be talking. The video that I will be doing today is showing you guys how to do a bow and arrow. Guys, this is That Flexible Girl, and today we're going to be learning how to do a bow and arrow. So first you want to do your lunge, and then you want to go to your split. And then you want to do your other lunge. And then you want to do your left split. Then if you would like, you could do your middle split. So just to demonstrate, I'll do my middle split. And then after that, you want to get up and then do some arm stretches. If you don't know how to do this stretch, you have to do it like that. And then switch. And then, if you can, you want to practice on your legs, because that involves your bow and arrow. Keep it balanced, and then put your hand through it. Bye. Peace.
Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I am rocking my Best Dance and Talent Center t-shirt. Got my little cuts on the side. Yeah. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That A squared girl